Garden Gucci.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be ready. Be ready.
Tonight at the Academy Awards, our lead actor, Cordarius Moss, wearing his Garden Gucci right now. What is that, chinchilla?
Yeah, this
Chinchilla?
chinchilla.
Yeah.
That's rabbit.
9 days, so some of y'all gone missing, but you have returned. Appreciate that. You know, some of you on sabbatical, some of you on your own stuff. But hey, good to see y'all. All right, so today we got a little limited amount of time. So what we're gonna do?
So today in the garden, hi guys, it's SYNOLVE. Love you guys so much. Glad you're here. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the notifications. Go ahead and join the family. Hit that join button and be a part of the work that we do in the urban garden.
We're gonna break up into two teams. Team one is gonna finish. We need to clean out. We're gonna rake up this stuff. Rake up back there. And Torre will be here in a minute. We'll see what we're gonna do about these bees. But the bees are gonna eventually go back there. So once we get this clean out, what I want to do, if we have time, which we probably won't, these two pallets, we need to put them against the fence. He's gonna take care of these cactus. If we get there. Group two will probably be you and Becca. You need to take all of these trays right here, dump them in the wheelbarrow, dump the trays in one wheelbarrow, and dump the compost in one wheelbarrow. Then we're gonna take it to the compost.
Okay.
So that's gonna be that project. That's gonna be that project. Gloves in the
Gloves this way in the car.
All right, good job. Let's go. Gloves on the table, shovels are right there at the door. Becca, you and Torre just need one of these, two of these. And everybody else, you grab a shovel, a rake, a hoe, or whatever you need to. We're gonna start cleaning out these fence right here.
Y'all got just 1,000 more to go. Right. Uh-oh. Now we getting the truth. See, we getting the truth now. Where insurance at? Where the insurance? Nah, it's messing with you. How did you say?
All right, guys, come on now. We ain't moving. We got to get to moving now.
Let's get this party started.
We can use this garbage can to start putting this stuff in. Y'all want to do that? Yeah, that green one back there. Let's use that. We'll make the fine.
Yeah. So.
Something like the milk crate thing.
Yeah. We are cleaning out a space so that we can bring in a greenhouse. So we're clearing our land, clearing some of the space in this caged area so that we can build a greenhouse. Yay! So it's the first installment of just clearing the land, and then we're going to start building and rebuilding. So stay tuned for all of the episodes in this series on the greenhouse. Okay, so Becca is in control and is telling us what needs to be done, giving us our work orders.
Yeah, I remember the junk with the I like the pockets on the side. That's a special gloves.
Yeah.
The cactus glove.
Is that a butterfly? What's that?
Huh?
Let me see.
Don't fool with cactus.
What you say? What you say, Mel?
We do not fool with cactus over here at the urban garden. We'll let other people help.
You come across. I heard from Mississippi. I'm far in the
I need the bug spray, I need the bug bracelet, I need all of it.
Man, I'm talking about I'm skin so soft like a mug.
Okay, I'm gonna come by you.
Hey, whatever you have planned this weekend, go ahead and cancel it.
What you going to Castalia for? What you going to Castalia? What y'all got going on? Oh, Jesus. Said me better. That's what I was saying. Oh, Jesus.